Welcome to our channel. Today, we will be discussing an intriguing concept that invites us to see the world from a fresh perspective. We will explore Neale Donald Walsch's thoughts on the interconnectedness of all things in our lives. Let's dive in. Neale Donald Walsch, a writer and spiritual thinker, believes that there is no true separation between humans, nature, and God. For him, we are all part of a connected unity within this universe. In Walsch's view, this awareness of interconnectedness urges us to recognize our relationship with nature, fellow humans, and the spiritual dimension. He promotes a deep sense of interdependence and care for everything within it. This understanding of interconnectedness leads us to deeper reflections on the nature and essence of God. Walsch invites us to see spirituality as an inseparable part of our identity and experience. Through this awareness of interconnectedness, we can cultivate a more compassionate, respectful, and inclusive attitude towards our fellow human beings. We become more conscious of the wide-ranging impact of our actions and strive to maintain balance in nature and sustainability. How can we apply Walsch's thoughts in our daily lives? Firstly, we can develop self-awareness and question the motivations behind our actions. Secondly, practicing gratitude and celebrating the interconnected wonders of life. Visuals. Host participating in community projects. Host. Next, we can foster collaborations with others to create greater positive change. Spiritual practices can also help us deepen our sense of connection and find meaning in our lives. Let us spread this awareness of interconnectedness to others. Through conversations, writing, or tangible actions, we can help build a society that is conscious of these interconnections and interdependencies. In conclusion, Neale Donald Walsch's thoughts on the interconnectedness of all things invite us to view the world through a holistic lens. With this awareness of interconnectedness, we can make contributions towards creating a world that is harmonious, sustainable, and filled with compassion.